In this video, let me show you how you can drop a database as well as how you can drop a table. Excited? So dropping table, dropping databases are very simple. So if you want to drop, there is one way. First way is, let's say, for example, you want to drop this employee database or a customer details or this G. So simple, just right click on customer details. I'm trying to drop that. Just click on a delete. So it will ask you for the confirmation. Just say like S. Okay, customer details got removed. Right? That's how you remove the database. That is the first way. Second way, you know how to remove database in a second way? Very simple. So how to drop a database, right? So here, very simple, just use drop database and you just need to mention the database name. So let's say I just want to drop this G database, which I have created, or you can also try with employee database as well. So I'm just trying to drop this G database. Okay. Okay, some sessions are active here, so that's the reason it's not letting us to drop it. So first, let me show you how to drop a table, and then let me try to remove this employee database itself. Okay, that makes sense. So before I drop a database, let me try to drop a table. So just now we created, right, drop table. So table name was employee details. So dropping table is very simple. Just see like drop table, and you just need to mention the table name, which is employee details. Just run it. It says that query written successfully. Okay, I cannot drop any of these databases because they're all active in my case. So let me try to create one more database and let me try to drop it. Okay, I'm creating one dumb database again, which is a course. Let me just refresh and let me show you. I want to show you how to remove that course database, right? Very simple. Just call drop database and just mention a course name. Then, oh, course C should be capital and it's not even active. Yeah. So drop database course. Course doesn't exist. Seriously. Okay. Drop database. Course doesn't exist. This is crazy. Let me launch a new query tool. Drop database. And database name is going to be the course. Okay, it seems like it doesn't exist. So, but this is the code that we use for dropping databases. Dropping databases are not really recommended. Still, if you want to drop it, just use an UI and just click on delete and just delete it. Okay, so query is not working in this case. I don't know. Okay, but usually drop table, drop databases should not be implemented, practically speaking. I hope it's clear. Got it? So this is all about, dropping database as well as a dropping table. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.